Wait, what? Hi guys, what's up? Long time no vlog starting in a cab. So I am right now going to a workshop kind of with Tenor. And yeah, if you guys don't know, I have my GIFs on WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter. So if you just search my name, you might just get my GIF. So search it right now and see. Kind of loving my makeup, although I'm like breaking out from my forehead. I don't know what's wrong. I kind of think I jinxed my own healthy skin. Guys, we are just clicking pictures here and here, and I'm with I forgot your name again. Namrata. Yes. She's also a YouTuber and we are just trying to click pictures right now. Amazing background. I die for this every day, so I'm like, I need to grab this opportunity. It's so pleasant here along the water. It's very refreshing. So we left and our driver is like standing out because there's so much traffic. Like, can you just, it's like moving, but then we are on the other way, so it's like the opposite way. And yeah, the traffic is a lot, you can see, and the driver has just left us midway. We are like, pata nahi hum log kya karenge. I'm like, I can safely drive till my house and then I don't know what we'll do. Maybe we'll just sell the car and just earn the money and make the vlog saying like, you know, driver ne humko beach par raaste mein kudhar chhod diya. It's like that. So yeah, nice fun incident. Okay, anyway, so we left at like 5:30 and we are still here. So the traffic is just amazing. Plus tomorrow I have an event and that's just gonna be like next level because I have to go all the way to Nova Parel. So like 3 hours of traveling, I think. Yeah, amazing. I am like horribly late for an event. I was supposed to be there by 12, but I thought I'll be there by 2 and it's 2 right now. And there's still like 45 minutes left for me to reach there. I skipped my lunch and it was all because of my video. I uploaded it in the morning, but there was some sound problem, so I uploaded it again. I thought, chalo, let's go late, I'll skip the lunch there and I'll have something in the gap. But again I uploaded it and there's some problem with the footage, like it's too color corrected. So twice I uploaded, but nahi hua. So I'll have to go back home early or maybe late at night and upload tomorrow or something, I don't know. So I'm having this for lunch now. That's my lunch for today. Sick, but can't help it. I wish I could just travel with my laptop, but it's too heavy, so yeah, can't do that. My day is going amazing. I got lost in Todi Mills. It's like so complicated. Every time I come here, I get lost. I don't know where this thing is. I'm using Google Maps, but that's also confusing because the gullies here. All the beauty community people are here. There's Shreya.
On my channel.
We are enjoying fries.
That they love you on my channel. But as long as they don't
There's
mix that up.
Devashri, Sherry there. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello, hello.
Together in 1, 2, 3. Not Yes, go Shreya, go Shreya. I'm not dancing.
You like Khush Shreya. So Debashi is on camera and Dhwani is the model. She wants to take one more picture. Fail! Yeah, girl! You're doing amazing, sweetie!
He's not ready to come out.
I thought I'll get out and do some work. But
Guys, I'm dying. Like, this could have been like a nice location for a photo shoot. Anam is coming. Imagine me in case of she's coming. Thank you. Okay, cute. And this is Anam taking over the vlog. The struggles of getting the Instagram picture perfect.
अभी हम जैकेट निकाल रहे हैं.
And Meghna is cooking. People are painting there, but the smell is so horrible. I cannot even dream of going there. Shreya is doing so amazing. That's Shreya, the pink and purple thing.
And look at us.
We are just sitting.
Me getting caffeinated as usual.
Guys,
You know what? Be on my Insta story looking at
the camera, yaar.
Why are you funny? Why are you looking up?
that's a disgrace, man. मेरे को कैमरा नहीं पता था. Hi Dhwani, how are you? Many people don't know this.
yeah.
Dhwani was walking the red carpet last year. And I asked her, यार कैसे हो गया यार? मेरे को भी red carpet चलना है. And it's so cool to meet her today. Like one of my old friends. Subscribe our channel.
That's qualified.
We were just sitting here. Shreya was standing all the time, so she just got this to sit for herself. Yes! She's trying it, guys.
Anyone who isn't in that 1 million club,
I don't like the core, so I just got it for the cake. It's a cake, guys. Are you kidding me? I won't like that.
That's literally what
Yeah.
I said.
He told me it's cake. That's why I got it. She's wrong. I got this goodie bag from Facebook. I didn't open this. I was like, no, I'll go home and open it. So, you know, thoda wo surprise element rehta hai. So, it's really light in weight. So I'm not expecting a lot of things. But still, the bag looks so fancy. It has the Facebook logo. You know. It's a nice laptop bag. I'm hoping I can fit in the laptop here. Anyway, I'll just open the first zip. Kuch nahi hai, khali hai. I'm hoping t-shirts and all. There's some box and a letter. I'll read the letter first. And then we have a box of is this what I think it is? Wait, what? It's a drone. What? It's a drone camera? Wait, let me just Google it. I don't know what to say. Like, what? Why? It's expensive. And okay, honestly, after my Goa trip, I was editing the footage and all of that, and I thought, you know, drone hota to sab mast hota tha footage and all of that. So I was like looking into the drones and all, and like, firstly, it's hard to like operate drones. Secondly, it's expensive. Thirdly, it's heavy. So I'm like, I don't think that's made for me. Or you know, like I might just ask someone else to do it for me and all. But then what if I go traveling, like you know, all by myself and I can't have anyone? So I was like thinking, you know, chota wala drone le lete koi to Mavic or something. Um, what is this universe? I'll test this out real soon. Wow, I never realized I was carrying a drone all this while. Bag is so good. Look at this. Laptop ke liye. Perfect. No, you remember? I was just complaining about laptop being heavy and I can't carry it to the event. Finally. God is listening, like universe is like listening to what I need exactly and giving it to me. Like I don't know what I did to deserve this, but thank you so much, Facebook. Anyway, what? Also, yes, the vlog didn't go up today. I'm so sorry about that. Thought I'll leave the event early, but you know, it was so much fun being there, talking to other creators. I spoke so much with Shreya and Devashi. It was so much fun, you know, sharing everything. Content wise, like going through the same thing, and Shreya works so much, so it's always fun to like just talk with her and connect with her. You guys, I just came to the space. Okay, you don't even know that I just came to the space because I have a shoot on Monday, so that's all done. But I just met someone here. She started crying the moment she saw me and I'm like, why are you crying? And then I realized it's because of the 100k vlog. Like she could relate to it and she's a YouTuber. What's your channel name?
It's Ask IOSS Hindi.
Go check it out, subscribe. She's also feeling low.
Emotional and
yeah.
I don't know why. Even I didn't think that I would react like that, but the
yeah,
moment I
I
saw
mean,
you,
she couldn't stop it, and I couldn't do anything about it. It was like literally Niagara Falls. Yeah, you can say that. But it feels.
And I didn't want to react like that because I didn't want to feel like okay, I met you and I started crying. Okay.
But yeah, check it out. Subscribe, support. I just met she's such a cutie.
I am so happy to meet this beautiful Dhwani Bhatt. She's amazing. मुझे बेतनी मोटा vibes आती है. मैंने सबसे पहली बात
yeah, she told me the first thing this.
And I think she's an amazing DIY blogger. DIY हो vlog, मैं तुम्हारे vlogs भी देखती हूँ. कोई ऐसा वीडियो नहीं है जो तुम्हारा मिस करूँ. और तुम्हारा जो कोल्ड कॉफी और पिज्जा में ये सोचते हो यार तुम खाती हो कहाँ जाता है.
Okay, वो
but you're
मैं बता दूँगी आपको.
You're very pretty.
Thank you.
And more power to you. Trust me.
Thank you so much. Hi guys, it's Tuesday today. I didn't vlog. Yesterday I went where? Oh yeah, I was at the YouTube Space Mumbai shooting the entire day. And today I went for a workshop, so I didn't take my vlogging camera along. Yesterday it was a lot of work, so you guys will see it anyway. It was like a 12-hour shift from 9 to 9. I just got few things from Nykaa. People messaged me on my Instagram asking if I'm going to do a haul. I said no, but since I got things and since I'm vlogging, I thought I'll share things with you guys. Yeah, separately packing is good, but then I'll just open all this and get back. I don't know where to start from. Let's start from here. This is the Neutrogena dry skin combo. Can you focus on this? Yes. Then I got Palmer's Cocoa Butter lip balm. Winter's here, so I got 2 of them. It was like buy one get one free. Then I got this. This is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. I think I will just start using this and see if it works or not, although I love Palmer's. Then I also got Palmer's Cocoa Butter Body Lotion, the usual. And then I didn't get much makeup things, just my Colourbar liner. This is what I use a lot. I also use the Nykaa one, but this is amazing and it will last me like for 24 hours almost. And then I also wanted to try out the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer since 2016, I guess, ever since it was launched, and it was not available in India, and then it was available, but I had other concealers, so I didn't purchase it, and I finally ran out of my concealer, so I got this one. Let's see how it works. That was everything that I got, and that was it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry it was late. I was just working. Even though I wasn't uploading, I was still working. And you guys see that all day, every day on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. If you are not on Instagram, you can also follow me on Facebook, because my stories also gets uploaded over there. So, you know, if you want to keep up, then yeah, just follow me. And that's it. Subscribe to my... don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. And don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.